My big letter X that Jesus gives to me says X. X. Say it with me. X. X is for XOXO. Kisses and hugs. X are kisses. O are hugs. X, X, more and more kisses, sending you love. Yes, X is extraordinary. My little letter X that Jesus gives to me says X, X. Say it with me. X, X. And X are for XXO. Kisses and hugs, sending you lots and lots of love. Yes, XX is another way to say kiss, kiss. My letter X is all about Jesus's love. XXX, kiss, kiss, kiss. XXX is for kisses. OOOO is for hugs. XOXOXOXO is for sending you lots and lots of love. XXXXX, these are all kisses I'm sending to you. XXXXX, all my kisses show you my love is true. XOXOXOXOXOX, kisses and hugs I write on my letter and send you my love. So where does all that love come from? It comes from Jesus up above. Yes, XOXOXXXXX will always mean that Jesus loves you and Jesus loves me too.